This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Exposure to the sun, pollutants, and free radicals can make premature lines and wrinkles on your face. While there are many anti-aging formulations available in the market, many of them have chemicals, the long-term effects of which remain questionable. Achieving youthful skin often involves using oils that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and nourishing fatty acids. Here are 9 oils known for their ability to combat wrinkles and promote a youthful complexion. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 9. Rose Oil. Rose oil is renowned for its potent anti-aging properties, making it a powerful ally in the quest for youthful skin. Extracted from rose petals through a meticulous process like steam distillation, this oil is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. These components work synergistically to hydrate the skin deeply, improve skin tone and texture, and stimulate collagen production. By promoting cell regeneration and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, rose oil helps maintain a smooth and youthful complexion. Its luxurious aroma adds a touch of indulgence to skincare rituals, making it a favorite among those seeking both effective skincare and sensory pleasure. Rose oil also helps reduce inflammation and fight off bacterial infections. It also improves the skin barrier function, which helps lock the moisture in your skin. All these properties make rose oil your best friend when it comes to skincare. Number 8. Neroli Oil. Neroli oil, derived from the delicate blossoms of bitter orange trees, is celebrated for its exceptional anti-aging benefits, making it an essential component in achieving youthful skin. Rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, neroli oil helps combat free radicals that contribute to skin aging. Its rejuvenating properties stimulate cell regeneration and improve skin elasticity, effectively reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Beyond its anti-aging prowess, neroli oil also boasts soothing and balancing qualities, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and mature skin. Incorporating neroli oil into your skincare routine not only promotes a smoother and more radiant complexion, but also offers a delightful floral aroma that uplifts the senses, transforming skincare into a luxurious experience. Number 7. Mer Oil. Mer oil, derived from the resin of the Commiphora mera tree, is a potent elixir known for its remarkable anti-aging properties, making it a coveted ingredient for achieving youthful skin. Rich in antioxidants and sesquiterpenes, Mer oil helps protect the skin from oxidative stress and free radical damage, which are major contributors to premature aging. It supports collagen production, promoting skin elasticity and firmness while reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, Mer oil possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated skin and enhance overall skin tone and texture. Its earthy, balsamic aroma adds a grounding element to skincare rituals, providing both physical and emotional benefits. Incorporating Mer oil into your skincare regimen can rejuvenate and revitalize the complexion, leaving it looking radiant and youthful. Number 6. Helichrysum Oil. Helichrysum oil, extracted from the Helichrysum italicum plant, is revered for its potent anti-aging properties, making it a valuable ally in the pursuit of youthful skin. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, Helichrysum oil helps protect the skin from oxidative stress and UV damage, which can accelerate skin aging. It promotes cellular regeneration and collagen production, improving skin elasticity and firmness while reducing the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. The oil's healing properties also aid in repairing damaged skin and enhancing overall skin tone and texture. Beyond its anti-aging benefits, Helichrysum oil has a subtly sweet and earthy aroma that uplifts the senses, making it a delightful addition to skincare routines. Whether used alone or blended with carrier oils, Helichrysum oil nourishes and rejuvenates the skin, leaving it looking smooth, radiant, and youthful. Number 5. Yangang Oil. Yangang Oil, derived from the flowers of the Cananga odorata tree, offers impressive anti-aging properties that contribute to achieving youthful skin. This essential oil is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, which are major contributors to skin aging. By neutralizing these free radicals, Yangang Oil helps to protect the skin from premature wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, it promotes skin cell regeneration and improves skin elasticity, contributing to a firmer and more supple complexion. Yangang oil also has soothing and balancing effects on the skin, making it beneficial for all skin types, including sensitive and mature skin. Its exotic floral fragrance not only enhances the sensory experience of skincare rituals, but also provides relaxation and stress relief. Incorporating Yangang oil into your skincare routine can help rejuvenate and maintain youthful-looking skin, leaving it glowing with vitality. Number 4. Uranium Oil. Uranium oil, extracted from the leaves and flowers of the Pelargonium graveolens plant, is highly regarded for its ability to combat wrinkles and promote youthful skin. Packed with antioxidants, uranium oil helps protect the skin from free radical damage, which can accelerate the aging process. Its astringent properties tighten and tone the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Uranium oil also supports collagen production, enhancing skin elasticity. Uranium oil also has antiseptic properties and can help retain moisture in the skin. It also effectively maintains the oil balance in your facial skin. Number 3. Sandalwood Oil. Sandalwood oil, derived from the heartwood of the santalum tree, is renowned for its potent anti-aging properties that contribute to youthful skin. Rich in antioxidants, sandalwood oil helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. It promotes cell regeneration and stimulates collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, sandalwood oil has anti-inflammatory and astringent properties that help tighten and soothe the skin, promoting a smoother and more youthful complexion. Its warm, woody aroma not only adds a luxurious sensory experience to skincare routines, but also provides relaxation and stress relief. Incorporating sandalwood oil into your skincare regimen can help rejuvenate and maintain youthful-looking skin, leaving it nourished, radiant, and ageless. Number 2. Citrus oil. This is another essential oil that has been used in alternative medicines for ages to treat skin-related disorders. Citrus oils such as lemon, orange, grapefruit, and bergamot offer a refreshing and effective approach to combating wrinkles and promoting youthful skin. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, citrus oils help protect the skin from free radical damage, which is a major contributor to premature aging. These antioxidants also support collagen production, enhancing skin elasticity and firmness while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Citrus oils are known for their brightening effects on the skin, helping to fade age spots and hyperpigmentation, thereby promoting a more even skin tone. Their astringent properties tighten the skin and refine pores, giving the complexion a smoother and more youthful appearance. Additionally, citrus oils have a refreshing and invigorating aroma that uplifts the senses and provides a natural mood boost, making them a delightful addition to skincare routines. When using citrus oils, it's essential to dilute them properly with a carrier oil, as they can be photosensitive and may cause skin irritation if applied undiluted or in direct sunlight. Number 1. Lavender Oil. Lavender oil, derived from the lavender plant Lavandula angustifolia, offers a multifaceted approach to achieving youthful skin with its diverse range of beneficial properties. Known for its soothing and calming effects, lavender oil also boasts powerful antioxidant properties that protect the skin from free radical damage, which contributes to premature aging. Lavender oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce skin inflammation and redness, providing relief for conditions such as acne or eczema, which can exacerbate the signs of aging. It also supports skin healing and regeneration, aiding in the repair of damaged tissues and promoting a smoother complexion. In skincare, lavender oil is versatile and gentle, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Its pleasant floral aroma enhances the sensory experience of using skincare products, adding a touch of tranquility to daily routines. Whether used on its own or blended with carrier oils and other skincare ingredients, lavender oil is a valuable addition to any anti-aging skincare regimen, helping to maintain youthful, radiant skin over time. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.